Milestones, what's going on, y'all? Look, man, this is Wood Jr., and I trust all is well. Man, I have an awesome subscriber here, man. Just want to say something to Wood Nation. What you want to say to him, brother?
Hey, check out his stuff if you haven't seen it. You know, the last video he posted, I've been gone for a while. With his wife being cancer free right now.
Amen.
Glory be to God. But I'm telling you right now, check out his videos. And it's nice to see you in person, man. It's nothing like seeing somebody in person. Ain't nothing like it.
Hey, trust me, I know the feeling. Because look, I'm a fan of everybody too, man. What's up, man? I said, man, look, I know I got to beat my guy Striker here, man. Hey, Striker is all about time. Wood first. Bro, I don't know what it is. We're about to do something unique. This is the beginner biker, bro. What's up, man? What's up, man? Is this the beginner missus?
Yeah.
How you doing, beginner missus? How you doing? Hey, I saw this, man. This here, this is the one, bro. I that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, damn, I got from Cali. I'm going back to Cali. The Wood Nation bros and broettes. So, man, me and my guy, Striker, man, this is a cool dude. So he hit me up, and he was like, "Hey, Wood, you know, let's put some miles on the bike, man." So we're about to put some miles on the bike, bro. And you know, we ain't about to do nothing crazy, at least not yet. And once I get the miles on here, gotta get my stuff ready because we about to hit the back roads. Yeah, bro, we about to hit the back roads. But you gotta do it in order to break the bike in. So the whole goal is we need to get, I want to get at least over 100 miles on here. Then we can kind of go from there. So, all right, y'all, I'm sorry. I thought they was asking about the 131. Man, 2 thumbs up to my guy Striker, man. Hit me up and was like, bro, let's put some miles on the bike. You know what I'm saying? Just a blessing. And look, we ain't riding around no corner. Y'all already know how I am about back roads. But I noticed when you riding with, you know what I'm saying, another rider, especially one that know what they're doing and where they're going, it does makes it a lot smoother. So, I mean, check it out. He ain't got no average bike, man. For those who follow the channel, y'all seen this bike before. Y'all seen it. We up at, what is this? Jessup. We're at Jessup, bros and broettes. Jessup is like an hour or so plus from Savannah, and the back roads, I will admit, it's nice. It's really cool. So I think I'm more comfortable with the back roads where there's not any houses or businesses. When there's a lot of just, you know, vegetation on the left side and on the right side, I'm good. But anything with like houses, parking lots, all that, where they can come out in the road, get a little fidgy. But man, appreciate you, brother. This is what's up right here. This is what you call a true bro right here. Thank you, bro. Oh, for real? Yeah. Y'all hear that, man? We ain't even halfway, and that's good. Now, y'all know, man, since getting this 131, man, Equal drinks a lot more gas, and she gets hot. So we started off like I'm at 156 miles. And when I say 156 miles, because when I got the 131 installed, I start the I start the trip A and the trip B over to 0. So far I'm at 166 from me going back and forth to work, and then rocking with my guy up to now. So the goal, and I didn't even know this, man, but he was saying the goal is if we would have got up a lot earlier, I would have been at 400 miles because he had it all mapped out. I was like, what? So that's what's up, man. So just to get these miles on, the 131 is doing great. There it is right there. It's a 131, guys. And when you get a 131, you begin to talk more proper. It's like your vocabulary increase. No. Bro, I am having such a ball with this bike, man. Yes, of course, I want to hit the throttle, but I am being super patient. I'm just actually enjoying it, man. It feels good to be back on my bike. I haven't ridden in months, man, you know? And then my guy, y'all already see it, man. I gotta ask him what's the name of his bike. I keep forgetting. But yeah, man. Ooh-wee. Striker ain't coming lightweight either now. That's all I'm gonna say. Striker ain't coming lightweight either now. Nation bros and broers, my guy Striker here, man. Listen, I never thought that I would do this before in life, and it's not wiping the lens off. Bros and broers, I just hit pretty much 260. Yeah. We just hit 260 miles, wait for it, in the back roads. Listen, this is a first in history for me, at least that I can remember. I've never hit this many miles in the back roads. I always focus on the highway. This guy right here, and you say we could have hit Buc-ee's in the back roads too? Yeah, we could have hit Buc-ee's. Look at, I always hit Buc-ee's on 95. But you know, for those who's in the area, Buc-ee's on Brunswick. Bro, we just did 250 miles. Man, and look, my GPS is on, because I was like, man, if he get away from me, I gotta know how to get home. Hey, but look, guys, real talk, Wood Nation bros and bros, we were getting it, man. And I'm not talking about like on the throttle, because I like what my guy Striker said. He says, we ain't trying to get on the throttle, we just trying to get miles. It rained and everything. Bro, this is what you call true brotherhood right here, man. You know what I'm saying? One of you guys get a new motor, whether it's a 131, 135, or even a new motorcycle. Your bro call you up, bro, let's put some miles on it. Let me know when you're ready. What? Who does that, man? Brotherhood, that's who.
Like I said, before you go home, you'll be 300 plus miles.
Man, I'm already, look. And look, we are, like I said, we're not like getting on the throttle. I still got over half a tank. Oh man, so I noticed we were in Jessup, something said Little Wissy.
Yeah.
And
Hinesville.
I mean, all these small towns I never even heard of. Like, it was one called Wick or something. What was it?
Waterville.
Yeah, Waterville or something. I was like, what? And we just riding through, and it was just, man, it felt good, man. Look at the hogs right here, y'all. Look at the hogs, man. Oh man, this is what's up, man. Come on, man. Look, y'all, this is how you look out for one another, man. And then look at here, bro. Look, Inkle just like, she just happened to be riding. Oh yeah, what's the name of your bike again?
Bipolar.
Bipolar. Look at her, bipolar. Well, we gonna pray for bipolar. No. Yeah, bipolar, man. She gets down, bro. She definitely get down. And he got that 21-inch in the front, bros and broettes. And then be rolling like it's an 18 like mine. I'm like, he's so confident with this 21. I may get it in the future. I don't know. What type of rim is that? I like that rim. Huh?
All in S.
All in S?
Yeah.
Okay. I heard of All in S. I used to think their name was All or Nothing or something. Yeah, I like. Oh, you got the collection. Man, this guy right here, man. I'm gonna stay on this side of the bike. I am not used to the back roads, but 2 thumbs up to my guy, man. Striker, man, I appreciate you, bro, for real, man. This biker community is absolutely phenomenal. So thank you, bro. I have, oh, y'all gotta check this out. I'm just gonna show you. Look at that, bros and broettes. Oh no, what happened? Did I accidentally press it? Oh, whew, thank the Lord. Okay, 296 miles. Bro, thank you, my guy, for real. 296 miles. Woo! Look, 200 more to go. But I'm gonna tell you, bros and broettes, it's almost ready. This thing is monstrous, man. Now, listen, I know some of you, you guys want to be like, hey, Wood, you know what? What's 131? And I'm going to say, you know what, bro? 131 is not a 121. 131 is not a 128. 131 is not a 130. A 131 is not a 135. It's elementary, my dear Watson. Man, look, I'm having a ball, man. The only thing is, like I say, this thing is a breather, bro. So, quite a few of you guys been telling me about the Ultra Cool, and some other you guys been telling me about the Harley fan. I may start with the Harley fan first, but that's if I decided to put any fan on there, because I'm mainly going to be on the highway, honestly. But yeah, I may put the bottom fan on, but yeah, man, this thing is good, man. My torque is 148, my horsepower 144. Bro, like, I'm normally not the guy to say this, but if you don't want the smoke, stay out of the kitchen. Please stay out of the kitchen. There's pot roast being cooked, there's neck bones being cooked, there's ham hocks being cooked. Stay out of the kitchen, by golly. No, real talk, man. I had a beautiful time today, man. And this 131 is just like a whole new bike, man. Other than that, man, like I said, it burns a lot of gas and it gets hot. So thank God for my heat reflectors. But we didn't have to sit in a lot of traffic, honestly. And then when we had to go around some cars, man, this thing just shoo, shoo. So yeah, man, Striker, I appreciate you, my guy. Wood Nation, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. And man, I'm about to go up in here because wife can say, where you at? I said, look, woman, when you got a 131, you don't just come straight home. You stop by the gas station first. All right, y'all, blessings. I will see y'all at church Sunday.